What we're going to look at now is how can you embed interactive media like a Padlet or a Quizlet or any number of other interactive web programs that you can embed directly in Canvas so your students get the benefit of that activity without you sending them to another website. So there's generally two different places where you're going to find this. So this first one, we're looking at a Padlet, and I'm going to click Share. And I'm looking for where it says Embed. So I'm looking for these two brackets. Sometimes it just has those two pointy brackets. Sometimes it says Embed. So here I click Embed in your blog or website, and then I'm going to click the Copy button. I don't have to know what any of this means. I'm just going to click Copy, and then I'm going to come over to Canvas. In this case, I'm working in a page. I can do this anywhere that has this text box available for me. And then I'm going to click to HTML editor, which I know scares some people, but you don't actually have to know HTML. All you have to know how to do is copy and paste. So I pasted that in. And now if I come back over here, or I could click Save, which will probably give me a better view. Now you can see I've got my Padlet here. I'll show you what it looks like fuller screen in just a moment. But now we're going to look at how I might do this with Quizlet. So with Quizlet, here's this share arrow, and that generally means it's going to give me that embed code. But you'll notice here, it's just email, copy, link. So if I click on the three dots though, then I can get an embed code. Here on Quizlet, you can choose what you want it to be, and they'll also be able to toggle between those. So you just pick kind of which one do you want to be the default, but the kids will be able to use different ones if they prefer those. So I'm just going to leave it on match. I'm going to copy this HTML code. Oops. Now I want to come over here. I'm just going to put this directly beneath the other information. So you'll notice this is a lot shorter code, but it's also going to embed that information. So I could switch back to my rich content editor. Instead, I'm going to save this. We'll give it a moment. And you can see, here's my Padlet. Here is Quizlet. And so I can go through and interact with both of these without leaving Canvas. It keeps our kids in Canvas, it keeps them focused, but it also gives them the opportunity to interact with a variety of things beyond just the standard Canvas tools.